ZSvirt is a Core IaaS engine built on Java, Groovy, and Python. This project delivers foundational cloud infrastructure capabilities with a focus on Linux containers and virtualization. ZSvirt delivers a Core IaaS engine for managing virtual infrastructure. Its foundation supports containerized applications and virtual machines using Linux-based technologies. The architecture of ZSvirt is centered around a Linux containerization stack. It integrates Java for core services, Groovy for configuration and scripting, and Python for automation tasks. Code analysis shows that the project is predominantly Java with significant portions in Groovy and Python. Aspect-J and Shell make up a small fraction of the codebase. To run ZSvirt, developers should clone the repository and set up a Java-based environment. The project uses Git submodules for dependency management. ZSvirt fits within the broader ecosystem of Linux containerization and cloud infrastructure tools. It is licensed under GPL 3.0, allowing open use and modification.